In last lecture, we talk about top 50 question of Kingdom Plantae. Now let's talk about another top 50 question of Kingdom Plantae, part 2. First question is, artificial classification system were based on evolutionary relationships? No. Cytological information? No. Few gross superficial morphologic characters? Yes. Correct answer is C. Question number 2. Phylogenetic classification systems are based on natural affinities among organisms? No. Observable characteristics of existing organisms? No. Evolutionary relationship? Yes. Question number 3. Which division of algae store food primarily as Floridian starch? Chlorophyce? No. Phaeophyce? No. Rhodophyce? Yes. Because chlorophyce storage food, starch. In case of phaeophyce, mannitol, laminarian and mannitol. Now question number 4. Pyrenoid, which are centers for storage of food, are commonly found in red algae? No. Brown algae? No. Green algae? Yes. Green algae also known as chlorophyce. Question number 5. The main plant body of Bryophyta is diploid sporophyte? No. Haploid gametophyte? Yes. Question number 6. Bryophytes are called amphibians of the plant kingdom because they have thalloid body structure? No. They lack vascular tissue? No. They live on land but require water for sexual reproduction? Yes. That's why they're known as amphibians of plant kingdom. Next is 7. A plant that has seed but lacks flower and fruits belongs to Pteridophyta? No. Angiosperms? No. Gymnosperms? Yes. Gymnosperms have seeds. Question number 8. The vascular tissue, xylem and phloem, first evolved in algae? No. Bryophytes? No. Pteridophyte? Yes. Next is 9. Which of the following is common example of colonial green algae? Spirogyra? No. Eulothrix? No. Volvox? Yes. Question number 10. What is the reserve food material in Phaeophyce? Commonly known as brown algae? Starch? No. Mannitol and laminarian? Yes. Next is 11. Male sex organ in Bryophytes and Pteridophytes is called oogonium? No. Archegonium? No. Antheridium? Yes. 12. Plants that produce both microspore and megaspore are known as homosporous? No. Heterosporous? Yes. Next is 13. The structure in Markinsia, a liverbird that helps in asexual reproduction, is the protonema? No. Gemma cup? Yes. Next is 14. Which group of plant is known as most primitive vascular plants? Gymnosperms? No. Bryophytes? No. Angiosperms? No. Pteridophyte? Yes. Because vascular tissue firstly develop in pteridophytes. Question number 15. The characteristic feature of the gymnosperm life cycle is the presence of dominant gametophyte? No. Double fertilization? No. Naked seed? Yes. 16. The gametophyte is not an independent free living generator in Bryophytes? No. Pteridophytes? No. Angiosperm? Yes. 17. Double fertilization is unique characteristic of gymnosperm? No. Pteridophytes? No. Angiosperm? Yes. 18. Endosperm in gymnosperm develop before fertilization and is haploid. After? No. Before? Yes. And is haploid. 19. Which life cycle pattern is characteristic of Volvox and Spirogyra? Haplontic? Yes. Next is 20. Which of the following is an economic product obtained from red algae? Is agar? Yes. Next is 21. The dominant phase in the life cycle of a fern pteridophyte is the gametophyte? No. Protonema? No. Sporophyte? Yes. Question number 22. In mosses, the leafy stage develops from the spore mother cell? No. Secondary protonema? Yes. Important question is a most important question. 22. 23. Which of the following is incorrect statement about angiosperms? They are the largest and most diverse group of plants? Yes. Their seeds are enclosed with the fruit? Yes. Xylem lack vessels and phloem lack companionship. This is incorrect. Question number 24. The presence of is one of the main bases of classifying algae into three major classes. Cell wall composition, yes, but not primary. Types of photosynthetic pigments, yes, this is primary. 25. Select the mismatched pair. Tell me in comment section. Cycas, Equisetum, Salvinia and Pinus. Number 26. Which of these algae is source of phycocolloids like algin? Red algae? No. Green algae? No. Brown algae? Yes. Next is 27. The development of the seed habit in pteridophyte is associated with the phenomena of homospory? No. Heterospory? Yes. 28. What is the fate of megaspore in gymnosperm? Developed into sporophyte? No. It germinates to form the female gametophyte? Yes. Number 29. Plants that are classified as cryptogams include cryptogams. Seeds are absent. Algae, bryo, pterido? Yes. Now next is 30. The life cycle pattern in fucus of a brown algae is predominantly haplontic? No. Diplontic? Yes. 31. The sporophyte of bryophyte is differentiated into root, stem, leaf? No. Foot, seta, capsule? Yes. 32. The male gametes of bryophytes and pteridophytes are transported by wind? No. Water? Yes. 33. In angiosperms, the flower is the structure where sporophylls and spores are aggregated. Which part is equivalent to the megasporophyll? Stamen? No. Petal? No. Pistil? Yes. Carpel means gynoecium. 34. The term thallus refers to plant body that is differentiate into root, stem, leaf? No. Non-vascular but rhizoids? No. Undifferentiate into root, stem and leaves? Yes. Important questions. 35. Conifers, gymnosperms can tolerate extreme environments due to feature like broad and thin leaves? No. Presence of vessels in gynum? No. This is angiospermic character. Thick cuticle and sunken stomata on leaves? Yes. 35. C is correct answer. 36. A gymnosperm with an unbranched stem and pinnate leaves is typically a pinus. Which of the following statement is wrong about chara, a green algae? It is oogamous. Wrong. It is oogamous. Yes. It is monoecious. Yes. The male sex organ called nucleus? No. Male sex organ called globule. 38. The cell of the embryo sac in angiosperm are typically spore celled? No. 7 celled? Yes. 7 celled, 8 nucleated. Number 39. Seed habit in plants arose earliest in a few bryophytes? No. Pteridophyte? Yes. Or examples like Salvinia. Number 40. In which type of life cycle is the dominant phase a diploid sporophyte and the gametophyte is reduced to a few? Haplontic? No. Diplontic? Yes. Number 41. The cell wall of green algae chlorophyce is made up of cellulose, algin and pectins? No. Cellulose and pectose? Yes. 42. Which group of plants is characterized by the absence of an independent gametophyte generation? Bryophytes? No. Pteridophytes? No. Gymnosperm and angiosperm? Yes. 43. A plant with two-chambered ovary and parallel venation in leaves most likely belongs to dicotyledons? No, because dicotyledons venation is reticulate. Gymnosperm? No. Monocotyledons? Yes. 44. Which feature is common to multicellular fungi, filamentous algae and the protonema of moss? Mode of nutrition? No. Dominant diploid phase? No. Multiplication by fragmentation? Yes. And most important question. Number is 45. Which method of taxonomy relies on cytological information like chromosome number and structure? Numerical taxonomy? No. Chemotaxonomy? No. Cytotaxonomy? Yes. 46. Which of the following does not belongs to phanerogams? Phanerogams means seed-bearing plants. Cycads have seeds? Pinus have seeds. Flowering plants have seeds. Fern seeds are absent in case of ferns. 47. The chloroplast in Spirogyra is typically cup-shaped, no. Girdle-shaped, no. Ribbon-shaped, yes. Most important question. Number 48. In red algae, Rhodophyceae, sexual reproduction is typically isogamous, no. Anisogamous, no. Oogamous, yes. Number 49. Peat, a valuable fuel, was obtained from a moss called Funaria, not. Markensia, no. Sphagnum, yes. Question number 50. The development of embryo in situ within the female gametophyte is a precursor to homospory, no. Evolution of the seed habit, yes. And starting in Pteridophytes. This is rapid fire of top most important 50 question of Kingdom Plantae